The police and the military came prepared for this one, and they were not backing down. 6 men taken out in Maypen, Clarendon in a police and military operation. 3 high-powered rifles were also seized in the incident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. What a situation that played out in Maypen, Clarendon. These are some of the weapons that were seized in the operation that was led by the military and also the police. Some high-powered rifles were seized after 6 individuals that were at a property engaged the police and military team in a massive shootout. All 6 of them were taken out in the dramatic incident that unfolded before dawn on Sunday morning. So, the volatile community of Effortville in Maypen, Clarendon was awoken by loud echoes of gunfire early Sunday morning as the police went on a military and also police-led operation that saw 6 individuals being taken out and some high-powered rifles seized by the police. This situation has left the entire community in shock based on the rapid gunfire that awoke many residents as they were getting ready to cook their Sunday dinner or getting ready to go to church. So the 6 individuals that were taken out in this police and military-led operation still remain unidentified. And I can tell you, I saw some of the images of these individuals that were taken out in this police operation. And I can say it again, badness and criminal activities don't pay off. Because when you look, these guys, they were armed heavily with these weapons. And based on the tactical moves by the police were able to outnumber them both in numbers and also in gunfire. Based on the fact that the police did not want a reoccurrence of what took place in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, just a few weeks ago, which saw 3 police officers losing their life in that incident. So this is now a epicenter of another incident which saw 6 individuals being viciously taken out by the police, and they see some massive weapons in this operation. And I can tell you, one of the weapons is said to be an AK-47 rifle. So the 6 men were shot on Sunday morning during a joint police military operation in the volatile community of Effortville in Maypen, Clarendon, which saw law enforcement officers wheeling down on the community in the dawn of the morning. So during the early morning operation, 2 soldiers were also injured in this incident and had to seek medical attention. Their injuries, however, are not considered life-threatening based on the fact that one was grazed to the lower part of his feet and also grazed by a bullet close to his head. Very lucky situation there. So reports are that during the operation, law enforcement personnel came under heavy gunfire from gunmen in the community. The security personnel returned the gunfire, and 6 men were found suffering from gunshot wounds after the exchange lasted for about an hour. So, an hour long lasting gun battle between these individuals and the police and soldiers in the community in the wee hours of Sunday morning. Can you imagine that fear that gripped the entire community and even the residents who would have been awoken by these strange sounds of echoes of gunshot propelling through the morning? So after the shooting subsided, the police stated that they have recovered 3 high-powered weapons, and those include an AK-47 assault rifle, an M16 assault rifle, and a shotgun, along with other ammunition. they were seized during the incident after the shooting subsided. So, after the dramatic shooting subsided, 6 individuals were found suffering from gunshot wounds in the bushes and they were taken to the Mapen hospital alongside the 2 military persons who sustained minor injuries. The military persons were treated and released. However, the 6 individuals did not survive this attack based on this development that we have right now to bring to you. So we will provide further details as it relates to this operation, as the police have not yet identified the 6 persons taken out in this police military-led operation over there in the Effortville community of Mapen, Clarendon in the wee hours of Sunday morning. So when you look on these weapons that were seized in this police incident, these individuals were heavily armed and they decided that they were not giving up without a fight. And they did put up a fight. However, they lost the battle based on the fact that they were outnumbered by both the police and the military. However, how the police gave attention to this area is still a cause of concern based on the fact that this is a volatile area and the police acted might be on some information and went to this specific location where there came under heavy gunfire and that fire was returned, and in the process of the whole ensuing gun battle these 6 individuals were taken out in the police and military-led operation in this volatile area. So this area that this incident took place is located in Mapen, Clarendon, on the border there. And when we look and we see how this played out, this could have gone far worse because these individuals, they were armed and they were ready in order to defend their turf. But these police officers and soldiers, they were ready as well, and they decided that they were not giving up without a fight. And during the process of this ensuing gun battle between both the police, the military, and these 6 individuals, 2 of the military personnel, they were also injured in this attack. However, their injuries are not considered life-threatening, as I have said before. But this just goes to show you how rampant these criminal activities are engaging and in influencing the minds of many, because these individuals, based on the images that have come across earlier in during the video, it's very clear that these persons, they are very young and they choose a path that have brought them destruction on their life. In this situation, you have seen how it played out. All 6 individuals, they were shot. I'm not sure whether or not there were more individuals there at the point in time or any escape, or these were just the 6 individuals that the police came across. However, they lost their life during this process, and this process that went down terribly wrong in Mapen, the community of Effortville, very volatile community, and the police acted in accordance with the law and executed their duty in order to protect their own life and also the lives of others that would have been in around the area at the time of this occurrence of gunfire, which lasted for more than an hour. Can you imagine you listen to gunshot for more than an hour? However, the police tried their best in order to protect themselves in this situation, and they put up a fight, and they put up a fight well, based on the fact that they did not lose any of their officers, not even the military. A number of individuals were just hurt during the process, and I know that the police, they are going to be commended based on this, and I know that they will be carrying out more intensive investigation. But as soon as more information becomes available to us, guess what, we'll always try our best to update you as soon as possible. We're going to leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. Links are below. 7 TV, let's talk, and we're out for this one. Have a blessed night.